What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to turn off real-time protection on your Windows 11. So let me directly get into a step. First one, just go over here, search for the settings, and you have to click on this one. And from here we need to go over here and click on over here at the top. Now from here what we need to do is not this one, just go over here, search for Windows security. You have to search for the Windows security and click on this one. And from here what we need to do is we just need to scroll down and navigate to one thing. So over here as you can see we have virus and threat protection. Select this one, and from here you have to scroll down and navigate to manage settings. Now from here you can see we have options called real-time protection. So what I'm recommending you guys is you can turn this off. Go for yes. Right now it is completely turned it off. And if you wanted to turn on, all you have to do is follow the same instruction and turn off it as well. So what I'm recommending is guys is always try to turn on real-time protection. It is going to fix you guys from a lot of things. But if in some cases in order to run few apps we might be needed to turn off the real-time protection. If that is the case, just turn this off. So this is how you can do this, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.